one control system, that is simple feedback control system, and see what are the problems with that. It has a lot of problems that we need to see. Here is the heat exchanger. We have discussed it so many times. Heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is there, right, Shabab? Cold fluid in, hot fluid out. Then here we take the temperature indicator transmitter that goes to the temperature indicator controller. This is PV, we all know. This is set point, and this is the steam line. Steam in, and what we do, we put here the valve. I2P converter is there, and this is condensate. Condensate out. Yes, Shabab. This is a simple feedback controller. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me?
Yes.
That's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing yes. Okay. Tell me any drawback, any bad thing with it. What is the bad thing with it? Tell me some bad things about this controller.
Type of valve.
Sorry?
Type
of valve we can, yeah, I get you. What type of valve we can put? So it is normally open, normally closed. What it should be?
normally closed.
Normally open. Okay. No, this is a system. What are the bad things with the system? I am not saying with the some special equipment like transmitter or valve or controller. Overall system has a lot of problems. What are those problems? First problem, if we cut this pipe, this is the pipe here, right? We cut this pipe. Is there any way the controller knows the pipe has been cut?
No.
No way. So controller is blind. That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing no. So controller is blind. Controller will think obviously steam is not coming in, right? If the steam is not coming, the temperature will not be attained here. Here the temperature will start, decreasing. So the controller will think open the more valve. The controller will open the more valve, more, even 100% open. But even then, no use because the pipe is broken. So there is no use for this thing. Right, Shabab? So there is no use. So this is one problem. Another problem, for example, here we measure the temperature of this drop. This drop temperature we measure. Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good. This temperature will go to the transmitter, sensor measure it. It will go to the transmitter. Transmitter will send it to the controller. Then controller will decide. Then it will send I2P converter. Then to the valve, and then the valve will open the more and steam will come. Meanwhile, how much fluid has been lost? How much fluid has been lost, Shabab, meanwhile? Lot fluid. And the fluid is expensive, even the water is expensive. So if it is some expensive fluid, so a lot of fluid has been spoiled already. There is a golden example when we take the bath at home in the winter. What we do? Yes, Shabab.
Again?
When we take bath at home, what we do? We need the hot water, right?
Open the hot water to come in.
Hot water tap. Open the hot water tap. No, as soon as you open it, the cold water is coming, right?
Yes.
Then you have to waste some cold water and then the hot water will come, right?
Yes.
Then you know hot water is more hot. Then what you will do, you will open the cold water, you will mix it,
Yes.
right?
Control.
Meanwhile, how many liters of water you have lost it?
Again?
How much water have you lost? Lot water. Lot of brother mashallah writing lot water. Hold on. Okay, many liters. Some brothers writing many liters. That's good. Now, what is the solution for that? Same here. You measure the temperature here. You measure the temperature here. It will travel whole the loop, and the correction will come. Right? Now, when the correction will come, maybe lot of water, lot of fluid already have been flowed. So it will disturb the system. So is there any solution for that? This is like two very general, you can say, drawbacks. There are a lot of other drawbacks that we explain in our book, that I already have put in our book. So is there any solution for that? Can we do some solution for that, for these drawbacks, or we have to live with it? For example, at our home, what is the solution? What is the solution? As soon as we open the tap, hot water must be there. What is the solution for that? Yes, Shabab. Maybe some brother, they already have this solution at home. Yes. At home, we can put the instant heater with the tap. So what we do? We put an instant heater with the tap. As soon as we open the tap, hot water is there. But again, you have to pay the price for the instant heater. It is not free. You have to pay the price for that. So if we want to fix this system, we want to put something here. As soon as the pipe got broken, controller knows there is a price for that. We want to make it faster, as lot of brothers they are writing, make it faster, so the you can say the duration between this thing decreases. Again, you are decreasing a lag time. This is lag time. You are decreasing it. Okay, you have to pay the price for that. You have to add the equipment. You have to add the equipment here, and you will pay the price for that. Right, Shabab? Okay. We can convert it, no problem. We will convert it into cascade, and it will solve a lot of problems. Okay, let's convert it into cascade. What we do, we put at the stream in, we put a sensor here. We put this flow sensor, right, Shabab? And we put a flow indicator transmitter here, that is sending signal to the let me move the camera a little up. This flow indicator transmitter is sending signal to the flow controller. We put the flow controller here. Now, this is temperature indicator transmitter. We are putting here, it is sending signal to the temperature indicator controller, and we have the set point here. This one sending signal to the flow indicator controller, that is giving the output to this valve. So are with me? That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing yes. No.
Again?
Which one? Sorry?
Can you repeat again the last?
Yeah, I will. Just give me 1 minute. Now, what was the problem? If the pipe is broken, it is, some brother is writing he cannot see. Okay, let me bring a little down. So we take this flow indicator transmitter. Now you can see it. Okay. Then here we put the flow indicator controller. Output of this controller is going to this one, and output of this controller going to I2P converter. Okay, Shabab, what was the first problem there? If the pipe is broken, there was no way the controller can know it, right? Before.
Yes.
Now, if this pipe is broken, what this transmitter will read? What this sensor will read? 0. Very good. Brother Ali is writing 0. Very good. So right away this controller will understand the pipe has broken. Lot of other brothers now writing, mashallah. So right away this controller will know this is broken. This is one thing. And the other thing was there that it was far, slower. So now this action is not just depending upon the temperature. No, this action is also depending upon the flow. So as soon as the temperature is lag time is more, that this controller will increase the flow also. Before there was no control on the flow. Now it is also reading the flow. If flow is less, no need to open the valve more. If the flow is more, then open the valve more. So the lag time will be reduced. So work with me, and a lot of other things. We are coming to the point. Can we make the cascade whenever we want, or are there some requirements for that? So work with me. We just discussed two things. We just discussed two drawbacks. So is these two drawbacks are enough to make a cascade, or we need more? So we need more something. So just let us discuss first this one very fast. What is this, Shabab? What is this signal?
PB.
Output PV. PV for this controller is the primary controller or secondary?
Primary.
Primary. Very good. This controller output is what? This is what here?
M. Output.
Output. What is this one for this controller?
PB. Or
Set
No.
point.
set point.
Set point. Very good. This is what for this controller?
PV.
Here,
PV. Very good. What is this for this controller?
output. M.
Output. What type of sensor is this, Shabab? What type of sensor is this?
Transmitter.
No, sensor. What type of sensor? Flow sensor. Lot of brothers are writing flow sensor. Good. But what type? What is the type of this flow sensor? What is the type of this flow sensor? No doubt it is flow sensor. What is the type? Orifice plate. What is the type, Shabab? Orifice plate. Okay. Now the question, can we make the cascade for anything?